My God, may I
Just
have your
that-
note?
But subject to lots together may be permitted to mention item number 34 under the POCSO. But my prayer is for updation. I have given notice to the other side also. I'm not the date is fixed on Tuesday, Lord.
Tuesday?
Item number 34.
Tuesday, what is there?
Lord, my prayer is that the matter may be updated because date is fixed on Tuesday.
Tuesday for what?
Lord, for evidence. Actually, I
With
moved
the
the
evidence?
application. Lord. That was
Not right
the
now.
time was given 6 months time. 6 months time expired in March.
Okay, we'll see afterwards.
My God,
Let the evidence come up.
my God, may I have your God's stand? My God, this is
Not
an
now.
application for bail for inclusion.
May I be permitted to mention, my lord? This is for upgradation. There is an order of demolition of the structure by Panchayat, and there is only 15 days given. From today, there are only 7 days are left. So it is very urgent, my lord.
Where is
The item number is 585.
Where is the notice?
Here, my lord. Attached with the pension slip.
585 of monthly.
No, daily cost list. Daily list. Today it is fixed for 585.
Any previous order was there in the writ petition? Any
Yes, my lord.
previous order passed in any writ petition?
Yes, my lord.
What was the order?
To check that whether the construction is unauthorized or not by the SDO.
Take it notice. ফেরত দিয়ে দাও তো কালকে মেনশন করতে হলো প্রপার মেনশনিং স্লিপ দিয়ে মেনশন করো
Lordship, my lord, unauthorized construction item number 198.
turn back the overleaf of the page mentioning sleep turn to the overleaf turn to the back side. What is in the paper? You are using this sort of paper.
I beg pardon, my lord.
Get a fresh paper and then file the mentioning slip. Thereafter, I will hear you. Yes.
Lordship, item number 198. Unauthorized construction of
100?
monthly list. 198.
Yes.
Have notice about the other side. Without our permission or without permission.
Okay. এটাকে আপডেট করে দাও
98.
198 নেক্সট উইকে যদি আসে Yes.
They have come to demolish my property. They are demolishing presently the property on my right. I am not an encroacher. This is on my land. And Lord, this is in the Panchayat area. So we have filed a writ petition, Lord, before your Lordship.
What is the item number?
And so the item number, Lord, I've just filed it. Lord, may I hand over the slip? Kindly permit it to appear at 2 p.m. Lord, I'll give
Not
notice
2
to
p.m.
everybody.
Where is the
Lord,
notice?
served everybody. NHI is involved. The district magistrate is involved.
Huh.
In all probability, my lord, this is by the NHI, but they are not giving us anything. No notice
Where is
ever
that?
given.
There is no notice of eviction, is there?
Nothing is there,
Demolition.
my lord. This is the
Then-
only issue. May I give them notice to come before your lordship at 2
give-
o'clock? My lord,
not
if we
to
find-
Give notice to all of them, mention tomorrow, we'll see. But whether the notice of demolition is there,
Nothing.
Then-
Nothing.
how you are apprehending that there will be demolition?
See, my lord, on the row, on the line, my lord, they are demolishing every house.
Any-
And there is one public notice which says that if there is anybody whose house is on, my lord, government land, we will demolish. My house is on private land. It's not on government land. Porcha is in my name. Title deeds are in my name. So, my lord,
Give a notice mentioned tomorrow, we'll see.
my lord, it
Lordship,
is permitted to be listed tomorrow. Otherwise, my lord,
We'll list it, we hear you.
we will request them to come.
Please give a notice and mention. If possible, I will make a
We have
supplementary
served
list.
them.
Served?
We have served them.
Where is the notice?
We've served it. There is
Give that.
also, we will file an affidavit of service tomorrow that we have already served them.
Okay.
I'll again give them a
I'll get
notice
it.
to come tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Lord, item number, Lord, 538 for upgradation, Lord. For upgradation. Lord.
Item number?
Item 538 of days, this, Lord. The
Okay.
matter, Lord, relating to pension of the Panchayat Code, Lord. An order was passed by this honorable court by directing the Director of Pension Provision Fund to conduct a hearing and to release pension, Lord. Hearing was conducted. So, but, Lord, that has been turned not down, Lord, due to that he is not the proper authority. On that down, Lord, he's concluded the hearing, Lord.
He is not the proper authority.
Yes, he has said that he is not the proper authority. On that ground, my lord, he concluded the hearing.
Who is this authority?
Challenge that. Director of Pension and Provident Fund. Lord. Item number 538.
538. এটা কি returnable আছে?
Of days list, my lord.
20 days list. Oh.
Lord, I shall
তারপর other
inform
থেকে কি আছে?
this.
Notice to the state.
I have served, my lord.
Give a copy. Copy of the notice you have served. Yes.
Lordship, may I be permitted to
Lordship.
mention a matter?
Lordship, yes, may I be permitted to mention, Lordship? Yesterday I have mentioned the matter. Lordship directed me to serve notice upon the state. Lordship, I have served, Lordship. Item number 1418 of the monthly list,
In
Lordship,
course of today, my lord, I shall serve, lord. In course of today.
for
Serve
upgradation.
and then come tomorrow.
Lordship, I have served upon the
Not
state.
to you.
Lordship.
14?
1418 of the monthly list.
1418.
Appointment of Panchayat Kurmi, Lordship.
Yesterday.
Petitioner appeared. Interview was taken. Thereafter, no steps have been taken, Lordship. 1418.
2020. Who is for the state appearing? They filed the
Miss
report.
Noel Banerjee appeared.
Any report has been filed by them?
Lordship?
Any report has
No,
been
no, no,
filed?
no, no, nothing.
আচ্ছা চলো এটাকে লিস্টে দাও
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention a matter?
দেখো আপ টু ডেট দাও তুলে নিয়ে এসো বল রিটার্নেবল তো এটা হিয়ারিং লিস্টে আছে হিয়ারিং এ ফ্রাইডেতে দিয়ে দাও যে কোনো ফ্রাইডে 18th
18th July. Grateful, Lordship.
notice yes monthly
I've raised a multi-student building. Course of construction, there are condition. I have submitted the as-built plan. Number Rule 15 of the Howrah Jilla Pollution bylaw permitting the Jilla Pollution to consider the as-built plan. But the reason just known to them, they are not accepting any, even they are ignoring their own. So that is the reason I have filed the requisition. I have served them. I also undertake to serve notice of mentioning and file agreement service.
676
Yes.
give a notice of mentioning to them
Serve the agreement.
give a notice of mentioning to them and mention tomorrow come tomorrow 66
that matter was reached from today as a top. In spite of that, we have received a notice for global on today. And the plan is forever. I have not noticed through email, my lord. I have also have the product through email. That was passed on. In spite of that, we have.
so what is the order passed
I particularly I think in time my lord.
the building can be done on 10th state who is দুটোর সময় নেব দুটোর সময়
Lordship,
Kindly to mention, my lord, item number 306 of today's list, my lord, the urgency is, lordship, the private respondent, 303. The urgency is, my lord, the private respondent is making construction right in front of my house, abutting on the PWD road. If the construction is made, I will be completely landlocked. They are continuing with the construction as of now.
अच्छा
I am mentioning upon notice.
कब जाबे वो डेज लिस्ट
Please listen. Please listen.
नारगिस बेगम
Lordship, I'll be
Sir.
completely landlocked, my lord. On PWD
कब दिते बोल आप
road, they are
Huh?
making construction.
25th 25th
Complete.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1126 of the monthly list. $1126.
Yeah.
This repetition filed in 2024. Once it was called on by my Lord Justice,
Clear.
my Lord, after hearing, was directed to serve again notice because nobody appeared to contest this repetition. Allegation is that in 2024, the members of the club constructed temporary structure for holding Kali Pujo, encroaching the PWD road and completely obstructing my ingress and egress. I made several representations before the Pradhan, before the PWD engineer, but no steps had been taken. They gathered building materials and attempted to construct the Paka structure for Kali temple. If it is constructed, then I should suffer forever.
Since
Lordship, kindly
2024
take
the
up it
construction
in
has
any
not
day.
been undertaken. Since
I
2024
have given notice to the other side.
हाँ রিটার্নেবল আছে ও রিটার্নেবল যে কোনো দিন নেওয়া যাবে ট্যাক্স তো আপডেট করো
হ্যাঁ
Lordship,
ডেটটা বলো কবে হতে পারে 25th
Lordship, may I be permitted?
yes
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention a matter, Group 5 matter, which was wrongly filed under Group 6. Lordship, praying for inclusion. Notice has been served upon the other side.
in group 6 that has to be released by the court taking up
Lordship, it has been released.
Order.
There was a direction upon correction of the application form that has been done, Lordship.
okay দেখো the order
Notice has been served and the order has also been provided, Lordship. My Lord, Lordship, may I write only for inclusion? Everything else is written. Only for inclusion has not been written.
My lord, may I be
Sorry,
permitted? My lord, may I be permitted to mention one matter for upgradation of 1309 of the monthlies, combined monthlies, my lord. My lord, this matter is a tender matter, my lord. My lord, I have been excluded or debarred from the tender process despite having all the required qualification, all the required documents, my lord. Kindly, my lord, fix a date or upgrade the matter, my lord.
1300
1309, Shah Jamal Sheikh versus State.
since 2024 the work order has not been issued
2024.
work order has not been issued
Work order has not been issued.
since 24
No, work order has been issued, but I was being debarred from the tender process. I couldn't apply for the tender process. I wanted to, despite having all the required qualification and all the required documents.
state ke notice দিয়েছে দিয়ে দাও return করো
My lord, I shall serve.
copy of the notice
My lord, I shall serve notice by the end of the day, my lord. My lord, kindly fixes a date.
देवे ना notice ना दिया
The case where the demolition order had been passed against the son, where the property is in the name of the father, the other was not made party to the proceeding. My lord was directed me to file wakalatnama other cases where I have been implemented.
Oh, that yes, yes, yes.
File the वगैरह था, I have annexed the page.
Okay. দেখো ওই পিটিশনের কে আইটেম নাম্বার
Item number 180.
180
And item number 617. One 80.
617 you are the petitioner.
17, I am the petitioner. 180, I am the private respondent.
দেখো 180 তে দেখো পিটিশনার কে নোটিশ দিয়েছে কিনা পিটিশনার কে দিয়েছে নোটিশ মানে এরকম করে তো হবে না পার্টিসকে নোটিশ দিতে হবে তো লিখে দিলে কি করে হবে তো নোটিশটা কোথায় where is the notice
Wait, my lord, that is email. My lord, I have tried to serve notice upon the antipatent record, but I was told that since I am the private respondent, I had to go to the standard to mention the matter before the honorable. My lord, that is, and he did not accept it. That is why I had to send it through email.
okay stated notice state please further
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention on matter? This is the CRM gave 67 of 2025.
give
My lord, may I permit you to mention item number 779 of today's list. Last Thursday, I mentioned as no notice was served, so your lordship did not allow. I have served the notice. The urgency is that the unpartitioned property construction is going on. Partition should is there. I raised the objection, written objection, but the Pradhan did not take any steps. Thereafter, I filed the writ petition. After receiving the copy of the writ petition, construction is going on. So the matter,
item number
my lord,
item number
item number today's list 779, page 259. 779. No, today's list.
দেখো নোটিশ দিয়েছে কিনা
14374.
ডেট বল 25 এর মোশন
My lord,
Sorry,
may I have your lordship's kindly mention item number 7. The state is ready, the de facto comment
Enrollment number is-
was praying, my lord. If I can come at 12:15.
I don't know. Every day you will come and say that at 12 and 12:15.
My lord, not every, what has happened, my lord, again, your lordship.
Let me take it up. Ask your junior to remain present. If passover is required, you will be called. Go. Wait. Yes, sir.
Motion, sir. Motion.
Five 598.
And there has been a standing instruction since that the officials needs to be transferred after completion of the incident.
598.
590.
You have been transferred or no?
No, my till date I'm not.
What is your grievance then? What is the grievance? Up to the administration to decide.
My lord,
Mention afterwards. This is no. Yes.
Your Lordship, may I be permitted to mention a matter for inclusion? I am mentioning upon notice. Grateful, Your Lordship.
Or Gram Pradhan has and my lord, proceedings running by first apply by Superpusan. Now, my lord, matter heard by your lordship, my lord, on 25. Directed to appear the matter as it is.
27th.
It is my lord, yes.
27th of
27th June, my lord.
oh. ये कौन written in motion here?
Listed motion.
Notice.
Notice. Listed.
Action on Tuesday. Hey,
For inclusion.
For inclusion.
এটা কে দিচ্ছে? What is it?
For inclusion in
For inclusion, my lord, listed motion.
Yes.
Lordship, I have already mentioned on matter. May I be permitted to mention another matter?
No.
For the least dated 9th.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petition.
I was here.
I don't